tuning into today's video. Well, I am getting ready to head to Jackson, and I figured this would be a good time for you to come along with me. So how about you travel with me to Jackson, Mississippi for PhD classes in urban higher education at Jackson State University. Come along. So before I hit the highway, I am going to go into my office and get some things done to where I can feel comfortable doing some things away from the office. Some things I cannot do away from the office, so that's what I'm going to do. It is now 10:30. My goal is to at least be done by 12. I want to be on the road by 2. It is a 4-hour drive from where I live. If I can get out of here at 12, that would be so good. So I need to make sure that I can be as productive as possible at work. It is 3:56. Past time. I did finish work on time, but I had to do some errands that I completely didn't do over the weekend because I was sick. Now I'm chomping on a French fry in a fast food drive-thru, coming back because they forgot my drink. All right, I'm getting ready to hit the road for real. It is Saturday. I maybe a little puffy. I got a tooth pulled 2 days ago, and this has been one of the most chaotic weeks of this year, I think. It's been so chaotic that it trumped everything else with all of the commitments that my family has had, from work, all of the holiday happenings, competitive volleyball, basketball games for my older dancer, and then today it is debutante cotillion, plus I have an event at work. So I figured, let me see if I can get any type of footage. If this is on YouTube, it's because I was able to actually take my camera around and capture some things. So there's a lot going on today, and if not anything, the purpose of this video would be for me to see how I made it through the end, the absolute end of this week with all of the commitments, and how sane, if sane, I was. Hold on. The second thing, purpose of me trying to get footage in for today is to inspire one of you, if not all of you, who are targeted towards the busy parent life, trying to get it all together. I want to be relatable. So it's for me, it's for you. Just real life. Let's get through this, and I will try my best to just capture some real moments, some real thoughts. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave here, and I have no makeup on today. I hope I'm not swollen. I'm trying to look in the viewfinder. It is now 8:13. I need to go over to my office, make sure that today's party has all the instructions for my staff when they get ready to set the room up before the clients make it there to do the party. I'll go there. I need to update an event for Tuesday. Like, again, this is Saturday. We're closed on Monday. But I want to make sure that I give them what they need. With all that I have going on, it's hard for me to keep up myself, and I don't want to put them behind because, yeah, So that's what we're going to do right now, and I'll see you in the next clip. We're going to work for just a little bit, and then we need to go pick up my husband's tuxedo pants. All right. It is now 1:11. I laid down for a quick moment after morning errands. Sorry you can't see me. Took a quick nap. My daughter just got her makeup done, and now it's my turn. Good morning and welcome to today's video. I am not going to do much talking. I'm just going to bring you along so that it won't be so awkward. I'm going to try not to film a lot of the people that will be around me, but today's vlog will be just a little different. I'm just going to, like I said, bring you along and capture some footage while I am here in Mississippi for PhD classes. And I hope that you like this. If I can, I'll jump back on and talk. Today we are headed off to competitive volleyball. We have to do a little traveling to get there, and I'm going to try to bring you along. This is the third day of me trying Bloom. If you have ever, or if you drink Bloom, let me know your thoughts on it and some benefits that you've seen.